I'm going to show you how to make a moving timeline, and this is what it looks like. You can adjust the timing to move as quickly as you want so people actually have a chance to read this, but it looks like it's moving continuously from one side of the screen to the other, and this is how I did it. I chose the chevron, which is in the blocked arrows right there, and I drew one out, making sure that the head of it on the right hand side goes off of the stage, and that there's a little bit of room in between the end of it and the left hand side of the stage. And then I went in and made some format changes. So I took the line off and I gave it a gradient fill. You can put whatever fill that you want. I just used the ocean preset and just kept it at linear and left the defaults the way that they were. If it wasn't on a black background, I would put a shadow on it, and I made a 3D format with the top bevel being circle, and then I added my dates to it. So I'll copy these and I'll just change the dates. So I want to select everything on this, and I want to arrange and align it to the slide and to the middle. And then I just want to select the 3 text boxes and align them to distribute them horizontally. And I'll just eyeball that. So when I've got that done, I can add my animation. So I go to the Animations tab, and in the drop down under Push and Cover, the second option there is the push left, and that's what I want. Make sure that your transition speed is slow, and it'll default to advanced slide on the mouse click. I just changed it to automatically after 2 seconds. So now I want to take this and duplicate the slide, so all the animation effects are on this as well. So for the second slide, I want both the head to be off the stage and the tail of it as well. And then I'll just change these dates. If you had a longer timeline, you'd just make more of the second slide. Okay, and I'll just space these out a little bit better. Okay, I don't have to do any animation because that's already there. So I'll just duplicate that slide again. Now the change that I want for this one is this time I want the head of the chevron to be here, but I want a little bit of space between it and the edge of the stage. So I'll just make the last changes to the dates. And that's pretty good. And then you can just add whatever text you want or images, and when you play it back, that's what you get. Well, I hope that someone can make use of this. Thanks.